Picture this, it's 1985, and Jim Carrey is living out of his car in Los Angeles. He's broke, unknown, and struggling. But while most people would have given up, Jim had something most people don't, a belief so strong in his dreams that it almost seemed like he could touch them. He had nothing to his name except for one thing, his vision. Now, picture this, just a few years later, Jim Carrey lands a $10 million movie deal. Almost to the dollar, exactly what he wrote on a check he carried in his wallet for years. But here's the kicker, he didn't just get lucky. Jim used something called the law of assumption, a simple but powerful technique that can turn your wildest dreams into reality. You're probably wondering, how did he do it? How did a broke actor, with no connections and no plan B, go from living in his car to being worth millions? Well, this is where it gets interesting. In this video, I'm not just going to share Jim's story, I'm going to show you how you can use the same law to manifest anything you want. And trust me, by the end of this video, you'll be ready to start applying it to your own life, step by step, so stay with me until the very end, because if you're serious about changing your life, this might be the most important video you watch. Don't click away, you'll regret it. Let's dive in. What is the law of assumption? It's a simple but incredibly powerful principle that states, what you assume to be true will become your reality. This law teaches that our beliefs, thoughts, and assumptions shape our life experiences. In other words, you create your reality by assuming that the things you desire are already yours. Neville Goddard, the man who popularized this technique, explained that the key to manifestation isn't in wishing for something but in believing it already exists for you. It's not about hoping or waiting, it's about assuming that your desire is already fulfilled. Jim Carrey didn't just hope or wish to be a successful actor. He assumed that success was already his. He didn't just imagine it, he felt it. By holding on to the belief that he was already a successful actor, he created that reality in his life. You see, every thought and belief you hold, consciously or unconsciously, impacts your reality. If you assume something is true, your mind and your actions will align with that belief, eventually manifesting your assumption in the physical world. Let's break down Jim Carrey's manifestation process step by step, so you can learn exactly how to use the law of assumption in your life. Step 1. Clarity of desire. Jim had a clear, specific goal. He didn't just say, I want to be famous. He was specific, he wanted to earn $10 million for his work as an actor. This clarity gave him a target to focus on and set the stage for his manifestation. Your turn, you need to be crystal clear about your desire. The more specific, the better. Instead of saying, I want more money, say, I want to earn $100,000 in the next 12 months or whatever your specific goal is. Clarity is the foundation of the law of assumption. When you know exactly what you want, it's easier to align your thoughts and beliefs with that outcome. Step 2. Visualization. Visualization is the next crucial step. Jim Carrey didn't just imagine his success in vague terms. He vividly visualized himself already in that reality. He would drive around Los Angeles and imagine that he was receiving the $10 million deal. He would picture himself acting in movies, getting paid for his work, and living the lifestyle he dreamed of. Now it's time for you to do this. Find a quiet place, close your eyes, and vividly imagine your dream coming true. Picture yourself achieving your goal in as much detail as possible. What does it look like? What does it feel like? Visualize it as if it's already happened. The more real you make this visualization, the more powerful it will be. Here's a question for you. What would it feel like if your dream came true right now? No limits, no restrictions. Close your eyes for a second and feel it. What's the first thing you do? Drop a one-word hint about your dream in the comments right now. I dare you to speak it into existence. Step 3. Affirmation and repetition. Jim Carrey didn't just visualize his success, he affirmed it. He carried that check with him, and every time he looked at it, he affirmed to himself that he was going to make that money. It was a constant reminder of his goal and his belief in it. Every day, he was reinforcing the assumption that success was already his. Take action now, write down your goal in the present tense. as though it has already happened. For example, if your goal is financial freedom, write, "I am financially free and abundant." Put this affirmation somewhere you can see it every day. Say it aloud to yourself, and visualize your success as you repeat it. Affirmations are powerful because they reprogram your subconscious mind to believe that your desires are already a reality. The more you say it, the more your belief will strengthen. Step 4. Persistent belief. Jim Carrey faced many challenges on his way to success. He was turned down for roles, rejected by agents, and had to face the harsh realities of Hollywood. But none of that stopped him. He never lost belief in his dream. Even when the world around him told him otherwise, he kept his assumption intact. Here's a challenge for you. What's the one thing that's been holding you back from fully believing in your dream? Is it fear? Doubt? Past failures? Comment below and share your thoughts. Overcoming those barriers is essential to manifesting your desires, and I'll share some ways to conquer them in the next section. Now that we know Jim Carrey's process, let's dive deeper into the practical steps you can take to manifest your desires using the law of assumption. Step 1. Create a mental scene. Jim Carrey visualized his success with a mental scene that he could return to every time he needed a reminder of his goal. This mental scene was clear, specific, and real to him. He would imagine receiving a phone call from a producer offering him the $10 million deal. He would picture himself in the moment, living the life he was dreaming of. Now, here's your exercise. Create a mental scene that represents your success. Imagine a specific moment that would show your desire has come to fruition. If you want financial abundance, imagine checking your bank account and seeing the exact amount you desire. Step 2. Feel it real. This step is where the magic happens. It's not enough to just imagine your dream, it's about feeling it as though it's already true. Jim Carrey felt the joy, excitement, and satisfaction of his success long before it happened. He emotionally connected with the reality he was creating. Now it's time for you to really immerse yourself in your dream. Close your eyes, and feel the emotions that would come with achieving your goal. Are you excited? Grateful? Proud? Really feel it as though it's happening right now. The more you feel the emotion of your desire, the faster you will attract it into your life. Here's a quick challenge for you. What emotion are you feeling right now? When you think about your dream coming true, what emotion rises up inside you? Drop that emotion in the comments below, and let's see how many of you are starting to feel your dream as if it's already real. Step 3. Shift your identity. Manifesting isn't just about getting what you want, it's about becoming the person who can have it. Jim Carrey didn't just want to be rich, he assumed the identity of someone who was already successful. This is key. If you want your dream to become your reality, you must act, think, and speak like the person who already has it. Start stepping into that identity. If you want to be wealthy, start thinking like a wealthy person. If you want to be fit, take on the mindset of someone who's already healthy. Step 4. Visualization daily. Visualization isn't a one-time event. You must do it daily. Jim Carrey visualized his success every single day. The more you engage with the mental images of your dream, the stronger your belief becomes. Take 5 to 10 minutes each day to close your eyes and see your desired outcome as though it's already here. The more consistent you are, the more you'll align with your assumption. Step 5. Let go and trust. Once you've done all the steps, it's time to let go. Trust the process. The how and when are not for you to figure out. Just know that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your desire to you. Manifestation is a process, and there will be challenges. But don't let obstacles stop you. Here's how to overcome them. 1. Doubt and fear. When doubts arise, replace them with affirmations. Trust that your desire is already on its way. 2. Impatience. Stop obsessing over the when or how. Focus on your assumption that it's already done. 3. External circumstances. Your reality doesn't have to match your desire right now. Keep assuming it's already done, and watch how your life starts to shift. So, Jim Carrey's story is a testament to the power of the law of assumption. He assumed his success, visualized it daily, and never let doubt or fear hold him back. And it paid off. Now it's your turn. Get clear on your desire, visualize it every day, and assume it's already yours. You have the power to create your reality. Before you go, I want to hear from you. If you woke up tomorrow with your dream already realized, what's the first thing you'd do? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Laws of the Universe for more powerful tips on manifesting your dreams. See you in the next video.